Namaste friends, welcome to Infinify Technologies. Today we are going to solve this equation. The question is x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to 360. Then find x, and x must be a real number. Although this equation looks simple, but it is next to impossible to solve this without knowing the trick. We may think to expand this equation by multiplying all these expressions, but it is very difficult to solve this equation for x definitely. Let us think about pairing the products. Then multiply expression 1 and expression 2, then expression 3 and expression 4. Then when you multiply x plus 1 with x plus 2, you will get the answer x square plus 3x plus 2, and when you multiply x plus 3 with x plus 4, you will get the answer x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 360. In this case also, we are not getting any pattern to solve this equation for x. Now let us multiply first and third and then second and fourth. When you multiply x plus 1 with x plus 3, the answer will be x square plus 4x plus 3. Now when we multiply x plus 2 with x plus 4, the answer will be x square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 360. In this case also, we are not getting any pattern to solve this equation for x. Then the magic will happen when we multiply expression 1 with expression 4 and then expression 2 with expression 3. So we can rewrite this equation as x plus 1 multiply with x plus 4, then x plus 2 multiply with x plus 3 is equal to 360. Now let us solve this. X multiply with x plus 4 plus 1 multiply with x plus 4. Let us multiply these two expressions. X multiply with x plus 3 plus 2 multiply with x plus 3 is equal to 360. Now we can write x into x, that is x square, plus 4 into x, 4x, plus 1 into x plus 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Like this, here x into x is x square, plus 3 into x is 3x, plus 2 into x is 2x, plus 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to 360. Now we can write it as x square plus 4x plus x is equal to 5x plus 4 multiply with x square plus 3x plus 2x, that is 5x plus 6 is equal to 360. Now you can see in these two expression x square plus 5x is common. Hence let us assume t is equal to x square plus 5x. Now we can simplify this equation as t plus 4 multiply with t plus 6 is equal to 360. Let us multiply these two expressions. T multiply with t plus 6 plus 4 multiply with t plus 6 is equal to 360. Then this will be t square plus 60 plus 4t plus 24 is equal to 360. Then it is equal to t square plus 60 plus 40 is 10t plus 24. Then we have to bring this 360 to the left hand side. Next we will write minus 360 is equal to 0. So we can simply write this as t square plus 10t minus 336 is equal to 0. As you know, this is a quadratic equation. In this quadratic equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to minus 336. So let us solve for t. T is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a is equal to minus b, that is minus 10, plus minus b square, that is 10 square is equal to 100, minus 4 into 1 into minus 336 divided by 2a. 2a is 2 into 1. Minus 24 or minus 10 plus 38, that is 28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. So the value of t is minus 24 or 14. As you know, t is equal to x square plus 5x. So we can say x square plus 5x is equal to minus 24 or x square plus 5x is equal to 14. So let us solve this equation. X square plus 5x minus 24 will come here, then it will be plus 24 is equal to 0, or x square plus 5x 14 will come here, minus 14 is equal to 0. In this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 24. Let us solve this equation for x. X is equal to minus b, that is minus 5, plus minus square root of b square, that is 25, minus 4ac, that is 4 into 1 into 24 divided by 2a. If you look closely, then you can see this minus 4 into 24 is greater than this 25. Hence, the result will be a negative number here. If it is a negative number, then the value of x is not a real value. So if it is not a real value, then this will not be the answer, because in the question it is mentioned that x must be a real number. So let us solve this equation here. In this case, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 14. So if the value of x will be minus b, that is minus 5, plus minus b square, that is 25, minus 4 into 1 into c is minus 14, divided by 2a. 2a is 1. So let us solve here. X is equal to minus 5 plus minus square root of 25 minus minus is plus, 14 into 4 is equal to 56, then 56 plus 25 will be 81. Now divided by 2, then it will become minus 5 plus minus 9 divided by 2. So the answer is minus 5 minus 9, that is minus 14 by 2 is equal to minus 7, or minus 5 plus 9, that is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So this the answer is x is either minus 7 or 2, and this is a real number. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.